Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Welcome to this guide on Notion Calendar. This powerful tool helps you manage your entire schedule, tasks, and appointments all in one centralized location. It offers a complete solution for organizing your time. Notion Calendar integrates smoothly with your existing Google Calendar and Notion databases, providing a unified view of your commitments. You can easily access it through a dedicated desktop application or directly in your web browser, offering flexibility for how you manage your day. To get started, connect your external calendar accounts, such as Google Calendar or Apple iCloud, to bring all your existing events into Notion Calendar. Next, link your Notion workspaces. You can then add specific Notion databases that have a calendar or timeline view. Once connected, any dated items from these databases will automatically appear as events on your Notion calendar, providing a comprehensive overview of your projects and tasks alongside your meetings. Creating events is straightforward. Simply double-click on a time slot or drag to select a duration on your calendar. You can easily set up recurring events for regular meetings or tasks and add reminders to ensure you never miss an important deadline. A fantastic feature is the ability to share your availability. You can mark free time slots and send a link to others, allowing them to book a meeting directly, streamlining the scheduling process significantly. Maximize your efficiency with Notion Calendar's advanced features. Learn keyboard shortcuts, like pressing S to share availability or C to create a new event, for lightning-fast navigation. For global teams, easily manage and view multiple time zones side by side, eliminating confusion. You can also attach relevant Notion pages directly to your calendar events, ensuring all contextual information, like meeting notes or project documents, is just one click away, keeping your workflow seamless and organized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.